Welcome to AgriTech Explained. In this video, we'll explore 30 essential farm machines every farmer should know to make farming smarter and more profitable. Before a crop is planted, proper land preparation creates the foundation for a successful harvest. The tractor is the main power source, pulling different implements and performing a wide range of field operations. The rotavator breaks up soil clods and creates a fine seedbed for planting. The disc harrow cuts and mixes crop residues while loosening and leveling the soil. The cultivator breaks compacted layers, controls early weeds, and improves soil aeration. The MB plow turns the soil deeply, helping bury residues and prepare the field for the next crop. Finally, the laser land leveler uses laser-guided technology to create a highly uniform field surface, improving irrigation efficiency and reducing water wastage. Together, these 6 machines improve soil structure, water distribution, root development, and overall field efficiency, creating the right foundation for a healthier crop and a higher yielding harvest. Once the field is prepared, the next step is accurate sowing and planting. The seed drill places seeds at the correct depth and spacing, ensuring better germination and uniform crop growth. The zero-till seed drill allows farmers to sow directly into crop residue without plowing, saving time, fuel, and protecting soil health. For rice cultivation, the paddy transplanter quickly plants young seedlings in neat rows, reducing labor and increasing efficiency. The potato planter automates the planting process by placing seed potatoes at consistent intervals. The precision planter uses advanced technology to position every seed with remarkable accuracy, maximizing crop yield while minimizing seed wastage. Finally, the fertilizer broadcaster spreads nutrients evenly across the field, promoting healthy plant growth and balanced crop development. Together, these modern sowing and planting machines help farmers save time, reduce costs. After sowing, proper crop care is essential for healthy growth and higher yields. The boom sprayer protects crops by applying pesticides, herbicides, and fungicides evenly across large fields. The drone sprayer offers precision spraying, covering difficult areas quickly while reducing chemical use and saving labor. The power weeder removes unwanted weeds and loosens the soil, allowing crops to access more nutrients, water, and oxygen. The mulching machine lays protective mulch over the soil to conserve moisture, suppress weeds, and maintain an ideal soil temperature. The intercultivator works between crop rows, controlling weeds and improving soil aeration without harming the plants. Finally, the fertigation system delivers water and nutrients directly to the root zone through irrigation, ensuring efficient fertilizer use and healthier crop growth. Together, these modern crop care machines help farmers reduce input costs, protect their crops, improve resource efficiency, and achieve better yields with sustainable farming practices. Harvesting is one of the most critical stages of farming, and modern machines make it faster, more efficient, and less labor-intensive. The combine harvester performs cutting, threshing, and grain cleaning in a single operation, saving both time and labor. The reaper quickly cuts mature crops such as wheat and paddy, making harvesting easier for farmers. The mini harvester is specially designed for small and fragmented farms, offering excellent performance in areas where large machines cannot operate. The sugarcane harvester automates the harvesting process by cutting, cleaning, and loading sugarcane, significantly improving productivity. The cotton picker gently harvests cotton bolls while minimizing crop loss and maintaining fiber quality. Finally, the forage harvester cuts and chops green fodder crops into uniform pieces for high-quality silage used in livestock feeding. Together, these harvesting machines reduce crop losses, lower labor costs, speed up field operations, and help farmers maximize both efficiency and profitability. Harvesting is only the beginning. Proper post-harvest processing is essential to preserve crop quality and maximize profits. The baler collects and compresses straw into compact bales, making storage and transportation much easier. The thresher separates grains from harvested crops quickly and efficiently, reducing manual labor. The grain dryer removes excess moisture from harvested grain, preventing spoilage and ensuring safe long-term storage. The rice mill processes paddy into clean, polished rice ready for consumption and marketing. The grain cleaner removes dust, chaff, stones, and other impurities, improving grain quality and market value. Finally, the conveyor system automates the movement of grain between processing units, storage facilities, and transport vehicles, reducing handling time and labor. Together, these post-harvest machines minimize losses, improve product quality, increase operational efficiency, and help farmers and agribusinesses earn better returns from every harvest. Modern farm machinery is transforming agriculture by making farming faster, smarter, and more profitable. Which machine do you think is most useful for small farmers? Share your answer in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more agritech insights.